surprise do so many things. This is our home.
It's very nice.
We give it to you.
She is telling our home. We have a partnership.
Please come, I'll show you other rooms.
If my son would, he would react.
Yeah.
Oh,
He's
his reaction is
silent.
okay. He actually
He's in the mix, that's what.
Yeah,
That's
that's
a gift.
early morning 2:30 a.m. right? So
Yeah.
for him,
Oh, you came up with this. Oh,
oh man.
what is going to happen for the back? But I don't want her to remove or something else to come there.
This was one thing, I was I didn't ask about this. I pretty much.
All three are generally
I know.
thinking in flight also was a one had done.
We didn't share you any photo.
Very nice.
It's nice, you like it?
I asked you
Those are
something.
so costly actually to be put in 3D. So I thought of okay, I don't like leaving it plain wall. Something
No,
to
this is
procure.
good.
Yeah.
Really good.
Anand is telling this your car entering into this bridge, this into the house. He's telling
This is next step to a villa.
That's a theme.
Yeah.
future house,
Yeah.
future house in Dubai or somewhere in between.
Yeah. The future aspiration.
I don't think I
I
want to go
don't
anywhere
And you
other
can
than
dance.
this now.
No, this is
So there you go.
Yeah.
You got your black mirror and plain mirror.
Everything
Lot of
actually,
storage
we didn't
inside.
got anything.
Completely.
Yeah, this was the surprise for us. What's gonna happen with this part?
I also you guys didn't reduce.
Do you think Bana will be
You
compromising?
can earn money anytime, but a house you cannot earn now.
The
It's okay, you
feel.
can pay bill to me slowly, no problem. You just stay for another 6 months, it's okay.
Yeah. You want to walk into your other room? You can finish this room.
Yes. Slowly, obviously.
Yeah, slowly chew it. It's a lot of
If
fun.
the guests come in, they're not gonna leave our
They're
room.
not living in your
I'm
room.
gonna die there.
Children are feeling like it's a star hotel
Yeah,
or
that's what
something.
Yeah,
The
every room has got its own iniquity, so
Yes.
we will unveil very shortly.
Very nice. You got a mirror over here.
Anand closed the doors. He wanted you to open.
Paap nopinchedi tanni. Okay. This was
Paap
no,
Very
this.
nice.
It ran from all the way from the.
See, she is wearing turqa blue only turqa.
Yeah, there you go. It will be very
my
matching.
favorite.
Very good chapati.
Everything so
Now
much.
we'll be unveiling your master bedroom. The left
You-
or
Both
both
together
together.
open it.
Kids bedroom she'll open.
She will open.
Tan, ta, da, ta, da.
Wow, yeah. Yes, yes.
Yes, it's the same color.
Yeah.
Even I felt this room is so big after doing interiors.
No, no, beautiful. See, yes. This is what I wanted.
Wow.
Super fun. Thank you. You changed the color. Thank you.
See the surprise.
Your dressing.
They are also very
You remember we were asking about the mirror?
Yeah.
But we made it 2 mirrors actually.
Two.
One over there
just for quick to see. There.
and one over here. So that you know
Because
you
no
have
need
two
to every
zones.
time
You
drag
both
this.
can get ready at the
Everyone
same
will
time,
picture.
right? Yeah, we'll
That's
save
it.
on your time, right? This for the mixtures and that's for you. And when the not required, you can just slide it through
I
inside.
was always
completely.
telling him.
And then
When
you
will I
slide
get
through.
time to get ready?
That's
There's
why
no room for me.
everything.
Yeah. Bhanu creative mind.
Really, I'm like, I don't have words.
And yeah,
She's
your
wearing
color
that color.
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously you liked it, no?
There's a
Yeah,
scenery.
actually we are supposed to pay there, hang it there, but with this board actually it's not
Yeah.
holding
The
because
board
of this
is not allowed to
waving
be on
pattern
same
and
level.
all.
So
I thought I stick
we
to
have to
this
keep it in separate
Okay.
mode.
because this,
drums and
this because of this days and
So it's
all.
all the big
In,
baby
in 3D
ones,
we
right?
can do
So-
anything.
In
Anything
3D
is
they look
possible in 3D,
smaller.
but in reality it's not
Yeah.
possible.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So
Yeah,
you got a
it's-
dressing there, one dressing
Everything.
under here.
And even I was surprised
storage.
how this room is looking so big.
Yeah.
I
I was about to tell that. Right? So,
You were asking, remember? Do you think this design will fit in our rooms or what we have, right?
Still, there's so much of walkable space.
Yeah,
So
we made
much
a special
actually.
room
After
for
you put your
you. And we
working,
kept a lot of
first you
support from my
hesitated to
mother,
put this, right?
True. Yeah.
We-
No, whether you have place or not after bed.
We have
whether
3
it
balconies.
will,
All
block the
one, this is
way or
one.
something.
Right.
Even I was shocked
And in my
actually.
room?
I know I can do everything.
but
No,
but
in
Your
your
room
is
very
not
nice.
a-
Okay,
I so thought like you
Nice,
get so much of
I love
space.
You have 3
Yeah,
balconies.
that's why we wanted to shrink the space on the dining this
Special.
table. But
No,
balcony,
every
we want to
time
have a
I-
flow of design now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Come,
Yeah.
Rishi.
Now you got your room.
Yes.
Girl.
Yeah, let's
He's the
unveil
most
Kushi
favorite
room.
to my
Kushi.
kids.
I want to
Kushi, come
try
on.
it.
Very nice.
Kushi, I
Wait,
want to
first you go
try
that
it.
Okay, just wait.
Wait,
We'll
okay,
let
so
him
now
know.
it's right? I mean, like, what else?
Okay.
Beautiful, man. I think everyone work comes, you know.
And in bathroom also everything is fitted and ready. Gears, everything.
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
So happy. All ready for pot, shower, bath.
You have helped, you know, Madhu and other.
Yeah, he has done his man very well. He's not waking up? No. Come on, let him have a good nap. The moment he gets wake up, we'll be all fresh.
In Dubai, it was a day for him, right? So
Oh, he was running here and there,
he
everywhere.
was, you know, playing a lot, and then while coming on the plane, like he didn't sleep actually. But they were playing, I think, in your car, right?
Yeah, they were playing like that actually. Almost till we woke up and after that he fell asleep. The moment he heard your voice, and he was like, okay, have to sleep now. This is the very important.
Not waking up? Okay. AC, talpisi, what's up now? Come, Jagdish bhai, come on.
Okay, Kushi.
Unveiling Kushi's room. There you go.
Friend get bottle.
Wow.
You like the color? Huh? See, this is your and Kushal's study room.
Busy.
Kushi, that's the place where you're gonna
Thank
sleep
you.
from today. Which bed do you want? This bed or the other one?
Thank you.
What's your choice? Where you gonna sleep?
Don't create.
It's your
Oh.
choice now.
Don't come bit.
You.
Did you see that?
He was like, I wish I would have told that, but it's okay.
This is amazing.
Yeah, and look at those three lights what we have in place. Also the same.
But we didn't get the colored ones.
Yeah.
And what's the
The
problem with the
reason-
colored ones? We'll not get that much of
Yeah,
light.
the light will not
actually.
illuminate much if
Yeah,
you have a color
because the
inside.
color will
So that's why
take
we
all
left
the
it white
light.
actually.
And here we have done something like this.
Oh, yeah.
Not like regular
Do you
blind.
like it, Kushi?
Oh.
See?
No need
It
to
has lot of
completely
light.
lit the blind so that they'll get privacy and at a time lighting
Yeah,
also.
that's good.
From inside we can see, but outside nobody can see us.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why we have taken this kind of blind. And I want only the white one because the room is yeah.
Good, something nice.
And that's all the wallpaper and colorful concept.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're supposed to go for wall stickers, but here in India that is not available in India.
Mm-hmm.
It's available in
No, I mean the
US.
model what we
In
selected initially.
3D. So and that too in US also it's around $300. Otherwise, if it is less, I was supposed to ask you only. And I
You
don't
get it,
know.
but-
No, spending
Yeah.
$300, I find it's waste
We
actually.
got it customized actually.
So we got it
Madhu
customized,
has,
everything.
given this idea. So we got it
So
customized
finally we
and
got animal theme.
Mm.
The bed sheets, everything.
Very nice.
Jenny.
Jingle team.
Wow.
What was your favorite animal?
Actually, from somebody from 9th floor, she first he came actually. So he is telling my wife is like she like this. Already they coming and seeing like in between. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
So she came like she's telling after so